Hi friends, myself Prathamesh Dhanaji Gandwe. When I was in class 10th, I was thinking something and I got something new and I started discovering that. We all know about perfect square numbers like 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36 and so on. Perfect cube numbers like 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125, 6 cube is 216 and so on. Perfect power 4 numbers like 1 power 4 is 1, 2 power 4 is 16, 3 power 4 is 81, 4 power 4 is 256, 5 power 4 is 625 and 6 power 4 is 1296. You can check it. Now we cannot see in it the arithmetic progression, no geometric progression, no harmonic progression and no arithmetico-geometric progression. Then what's in it? Is there something new in that? Yes, there is a progression in that. Let's take an example of sequence of perfect square numbers. Here m is equal to the first term or reference term and a is the term we want minus 1 and this is our formula for the perfect square numbers. Now this is a sequence for perfect square numbers. Let's take our m as 9 and if you want the sixth term from 9, that is 64. Therefore by our formula a is equal to 6 minus 1, that is 5. Now we got m as 9 and a as 5. Now we have to put these values in this formula. Now I am putting these values in this formula. You wait for a while and see the answer. You will be surprised. Yes, we got the 64. That is our term. Now this is formula for the perfect cube numbers. And this is formula for the perfect power 4 numbers. And for this sequence also we have to follow same process. Now for my convenience I call it as power progression and I will reveal the secret in next video how I got these formulas. If you like the video, subscribe our channel, like it and comment whether you liked or disliked. Thanks for watching.